So what can you expect if you choose to apply for a job at this firm? Ideally, it'll be a 2 to 4 week process where we will be weeding out anybody who is throwing their resume in all directions and trying to find the people who are truly interested in working here. We're going to have discussions about the way that we do things around here. If you are interested in applying for a job here, not only do I recommend that you check out our core values and the other videos on this page, which frankly should give somebody who's truly interested in a job here tremendous insight into what it's like to work here and how to navigate the interview process. Just about everything you need to know about what we believe in terms of dispute resolution, what we believe in terms of project delivery methods, what we believe about construction law and getting our clients in excellent contracts is available on the website. There are blog posts, there are articles to be downloaded. I think there's more than 75 videos at this point. If you apply and you go through the interview process, the expectation is that you're going to know something about what we do and how we do it around here. You may be asked to talk about the core values. You may be asked to talk about your favorite or least favorite videos. You may be asked to tell me what you agree with and what you disagree with from what you can gather about this firm and how we do things. If you have not taken the time to gather this information that is readily available for you on the website and in many other places, it's not likely that you're going to proceed through the interview process successfully. It's likely if you do submit an application for a job here that you're going to experience some automation. I think that the more junior you are, you're more likely to experience that automation. It might come in the form of an email getting kicked back at you with a questionnaire asking you things about our practice and things about the way that we do what we do around here, why we do it, how we do it, who we do it for. If you are a more senior lawyer, you're not going to be expected to run through that same process. I think if you're a more senior lawyer who's interested in a job here, you're likely to be having coffee with me much more quickly than somebody who has just got their bar card. We'll probably have a short get-to-know-you video conference as a first step for people who qualify. And parenthetically, I don't care what your resume says. I don't care if you went to Harvard. I don't care if you were on Law Review. I don't care how many years you've been practicing. There are things that I'm looking for, markers of success. There's some excellent people that I've worked with in the past who are junior to me, more junior lawyers, law clerks, paralegals, assistants, and I think I know what makes them tick, and you don't have to go to an Ivy League law school to be excellent at what you do. But I'm going to be looking to try to see whether you have some of the same characteristics that they do. And frankly, if you're a lawyer, and you've been practicing for 5 years, I'm much less interested in you if all you have is a fancy degree and no articles or presentations, no community involvement. Somebody who is going to be a great candidate for this firm is going to be somebody who is able to show me that from the minute that they decided to go to law school, they've been getting after every clerkship, every opportunity. If you're not very active on LinkedIn, other social media, trying to promote your practice, that's going to be a strike against you, because I believe that people who are truly interested in getting after are going to be getting after it in those ways. So, if you don't fit those traits, if that's not you, I don't know that you're necessarily going to proceed through the interview process, no matter how fancy your resume is. For those of you that have a great video conference with me where I'll be trying to find out whether or not you're the sort of person I want to have a beer with, and whether you're the sort of person who can contribute to the excellent culture that I'm trying to build around here. There'll be other steps. You're likely to experience some personality assessments, which are tools that in the past I've really frowned upon and thought were sort of ridiculous. But I've come to appreciate that just about every successful entrepreneur in any kind of business anywhere makes great use of some of the new ways that employers have to get insight into what makes their employees tick. And all of this is intended to find the 1 in 1,000 who is going to be a very happy employee in this firm for 5, 10, 20, 30 years. It's intended to find the rare person that vibrates on the same frequency as the others who are here. That's what I'm looking for. And so if you've made it this far through these videos, you're probably not somebody who is throwing your resume all over the place. To be very frank, as much as this hiring process, as much as these videos are intended to give insight into what it's like to be at our firm and to try to tell you why you want to be here, if you're the right kind of person, it's also designed to try to dissuade people who would be a bad fit from coming down this path at all. So I hope that you are one of the people who is feeling this. And if you are, I am so excited to get to know you as you progress down this hiring path, hopefully to become a very happy long-term member of our team.